The 2020 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, smart device integration. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.